In front of me is nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to click on Privacy Controls. Hit Permission Manager and select one of your device's features you wish to manage. Then click on one of your apps. Tap on one of those options, and when you're ready, go back. You can also tap on See All Permissions here and manage all of those only for your chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!